Hold on. I'm not ready.
Alyssa's up now.
The blue one. And this one.
Wait, I'm not ready. Wait.
Okay.
You're getting too fast for me. Alright, let me see.
Okay.
Easy on her.
And here. That's it. Going back on your head.
Alright, now I'm gonna make a special egg for Alyssa. Let me see here. Let's see how I can do this.
Drop it.
How can I do this? No, we're not gonna drop it all the way in. I'm just gonna hold it.
I thought you were going to use the last 4 eggs to do that.
Hold on, Ada. No, don't touch it. I know. You're helping me right now. You just gotta. Alright.
All you're going to do is make it purple if you just dropped it in blue.
Yeah, and then the purple one. Now
Now it's purple, alright? Now let's see what happens.
No, now the this sauce.
I know that. I'm just trying to switch it up on here. Alright, now, let's put it back in this red. And make sure that this becomes really nice. Alright, see that? It's like
Brown.
not brown. It's like a really nice pink.
Oh, okay.
Alright, Alyssa, you're gonna have to hold your egg. You ready? Here, Nick, you should get this on video. Yeah. You're holding her egg. Nice.
Hold it.
Here.
Hold it. Please hold it.
Wow.
She got it. Whoa. She dropped it. I did that. Now this is from
You want to hold your egg, Alyssa?
one for me. I will make one for me.
Oh, that egg is silly, huh?
I will make one egg for me.
What, a special one?
I will make one egg.
She just held it up like, yes, I got the prize.
Green.
She's putting it in her mouth, I think.
Green.
It's yucky. Tastes like vinegar. And no, baby. No, don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth. It's yucky.
I will make my egg.
Look.
Green, green,
Oh, that's good. It's a good shot.